Arrive in style with this 2010 Scion XB. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are vehicle stability assist, side airbag system, EBA Emergency Brake Asst, color-coded mirrors, child safety locks, traction control system, 3-point rear seatbelts, folding rear seats, and turn signal mirrors. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.